US stock index futures are gaining today, recovering from the previous fall. The US dollar index is still moving in a downtrend. The US dollar continues to lose ground against the Canadian dollar as well. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.22%, the tech-heavy NASDAQ added 0.4%, while the S&P 500 broad market index climbed 0.43%. In recent days, these three major stock indexes have been rising, punching up to another round of new highs after yesterday's decline amid uncertainty over the coronavirus pandemic. In recent weeks, positive sentiment in the market has been fueled by the news about the coronavirus vaccines and the adoption of a new $900 billion US economic stimulus package. However, the reports of a surge in COVID-19 cases, a new coronavirus strain, as well as statistics indicating a slowdown in economic recovery, tempered investor optimism. Besides, market sentiment came under pressure from tensions in Washington over the size of payments to the Americans as part of the new aid package. Investor sentiment is expected to continue to flip-flop between optimism over vaccines versus pessimism over coronavirus cases, as well as between politics and economies. November was a strong month for markets. December is a kind of pause to take a breath. Today, the US dollar index was down 0.36% to 89.69, hitting its lowest level since April 2018. Such factors as the economic recovery and the monetary policy, which is said to be soft in the coming years, allow investors to buy up riskier assets. As a result, the US dollar is losing ground. However, the situation may change. Against the Canadian currency, the US dollar lost about 0.23% to settle at around 1.2787. Many experts note that the euro area economy is set for a springer recovery from crisis than the United States, while the US fiscal programs will continue to drive its own currency down. That's all for today. We wish you profitable deals. See you tomorrow.